Assalamu alaikum and Ramadan Mubarak to all. Welcome back to our kitchen, where we bring you delicious and easy to make Ramadan special recipes to keep your iftar and suhoor meals exciting and nutritious. Today, we're making a unique and delightful egg donuts recipe, a perfect combination of protein, flavor, and softness that will melt in your mouth. Whether you're looking for a quick suhoor idea or a special treat for iftar, this recipe is a must-try. Make sure to watch till the end, as I'll also share some variations and tips to make these egg donuts extra delicious. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss our special Ramadan recipes. Before we start, let's go over the ingredients. You'll need, for the egg donuts, 4 eggs, 1 cup all-purpose flour, half a cup sugar, 1 teaspoon baking powder, half a cup milk, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, a pinch of salt, and oil for frying. For garnishing, powdered sugar, honey or maple syrup, and crushed nuts, optional. These ingredients are super simple and are probably already in your kitchen. Now, let's get started. First, let's prepare our batter. In a mixing bowl, crack 4 eggs and whisk them until they turn light and fluffy. This helps create soft and airy donuts. Next, add half a cup of sugar and whisk again until the mixture becomes smooth and creamy. Now, sift in 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and a pinch of salt. Gently fold the dry ingredients into the egg mixture. To add richness and flavor, pour in half a cup of milk and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Mix everything until you get a smooth batter. Now, heat oil in a deep frying pan on medium heat. While the oil is heating, let the batter rest for 5 minutes. This helps the donuts become soft and fluffy. Using a piping bag or a spoon, carefully drop small rounds of batter into the hot oil. If you want the perfect donut shape, use a donut mold or a bottle cap to create a hole in the center. Let them fry for about 2 minutes on each side or until golden brown and crispy. Once done, remove them from the oil and drain on a paper towel to remove excess oil. Now comes the fun part, garnishing. Sprinkle powdered sugar over the warm donuts for a classic look. For an extra touch of sweetness, drizzle honey or maple syrup on top. And if you love a bit of crunch, add some crushed almonds or pistachios for a beautiful finishing touch. And there you have it, delicious, fluffy egg donuts, perfect for iftar or suhoor. Just look at how soft they are inside. Let's take a bite. These are incredibly soft, slightly crispy on the outside, and just the right amount of sweet. You must try this recipe. I hope you enjoyed today's Ramadan special recipe. If you loved this egg donut recipe, give this video a big thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. And if you want more easy and delicious Ramadan recipes, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Ramadan Mubarak. May your fasts be blessed with delicious meals and good health.